Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install Samsung Music on Samsung Galaxy A16. So simply you just use two different way. Go to your Samsung store or Play Store. So I'm just open Samsung store and go to search option. Search here to Samsung Music. Okay, and you get this option. Just easily install from here or open your Google Play Store. Go to search option, search here to Samsung Music. Okay, and you just easily install from here. Click on to install. Okay, and press on open. Continue. Okay, now done.